LTASE! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects have toilet humor and some sound effects are plain. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. 2, 4, 6, 8, let's get going.
You can do it, Suicide Oswald. Some sound effects can be tested just like my sidekick.
Some sound effects can be previewed, short and medium sounds only.
Oh, and don't preview long sound effects, okay?
Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Yuri's farting and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are long, like Xenia's pooping and farting sound effect. LTASE, let's talk about sound effects. Today's episode is the peeing sound effect from Omorashi, and the host is me, IRL Noella. Hello guys, I am your host IRL Noella, and welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects Series 2.0. And this is the first episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects Series 2.0. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about the peeing sound effect from Omorashi. It's from a video called Omorashi, It's from a video called Omorashi, Omorashi, #gacha pee, #poop. It was uploaded 4 months ago on October 26, 2025, and the video will be turning 1 year old in 7 months. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 28 to 42. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. 14. The total seconds are 14. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. The peeing sound effect from Omorashi. Let's test the peeing sound effect from Omorashi. It is used for Noella Marcano's characters, you say. It was uploaded on October 26, 2025. The lo-fi music must be removed at the beginning and end. Remember, the sound duration is 14 seconds. It starts at 0:28 and ends at 0:42.
My bladder's really full, and I really need to pee so bad.
Same goes with you, my companion. We need to use the bathroom right now.
Let's pee from Omorashi. Let's pee from Omorashi. Relax your bladder and let the pee down. Cradle and sigh of relief.
We feel so much better now.
See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my characters when they pee in the toilet. If you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Omorashi before using the sound effect. I'm linking this video in the description. The sound effect starts at 0:28 and ends at 0:42. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later. Around. Like in a few episodes, or maybe in the next episode. So, bye-bye!